It is Saturday morning. The sun is shining and the birds are singing. Mom wakes up first and prepares breakfast for the family.
The whole family sits together. Dad pours juice, Mom serves pancakes, and
After breakfast, the family talks about their plans. Shall we go to the park or bake cookies?
the family walks to the park. The children run to the swings while Dad pushes them gently.
They play frisbee, ride bikes, and enjoy a picnic on the grass. Laughter fills the air. As the sun sets, the family walks back home. The kids hold hands with their parents and talk about their favorite moments. Back home, they bake cookies together. The kids mix the dough while Mom and Dad watch and help. The kitchen smells wonderful. At dinner, they share stories about the day. Spending time together is the best part of the weekend.
Children